This could be my regular hair, just like a little silk press, a little flat iron. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. I'm Aisha, and today I have yet another wig video for you guys. You're tired of them. Girl, well, you gotta come with some other ideas. What else do you want me to do? You're not tired of them? You like me seeing me do my wigs? Okay, cool, you can stay. So today I'm showcasing yet another wig from Outre. I'm happy to say I will be doing Outre videos at least one time a month from this point forward. Last month I did 2 Outre videos, and then this month I'll just have the one. So as you can probably tell from the title, this is the Outre Yuri wig. She is a synthetic unit and part of the lace front wig collection from Outre. She's 16 inches and I got her in the color Honey Amber Brown, but she also comes in a bunch of other colors. This is HD transparent lace and it is heat resistant up to 400 degrees, which is great for synthetic wigs. So this is what it looks like in the little packaging, and I'm just gonna unbox it and show you guys. And then, as you guys probably know already, if you see my channel before, my wig videos are beginner friendly. I do not glue down my wigs. I usually don't really customize them much. I don't do anything to them. I just like to show the wigs as they are and then put them on. Also because I am a beginner with wigs. I've been wearing wigs for years, but I don't really have much experience when it comes to like installing them and gluing them down and all of that. So I'll do what I can for this, but I'm very confident that she's still gonna look good with minimal effort. That's the purpose of my videos, to show you guys that these wigs you can, like, I threw this wig on my head this morning, and this is also from Outre. You can click the video that I have linked somewhere on the screen, or you can just check the description or go to my channel. I also have this video on this wig from Outre, but you can literally like throw these wigs on and go. So this is the wig, and I'm very excited to be working with Outre more because most of the wigs that I get are usually in the same style, but with Outre they have so many different like lengths, textures, like wave patterns. Like this is a straight wig, like I said, colors. Like they have so many different options, so I'm really excited to be working with them more to hopefully just do more with my looks. This is the wig. Like I said, she's about 16 inches and it has a lot of movement fresh out the packaging. This is the card that it comes with. This wig does not have a band in it, so the inside construction is like this. So this is a lace front wig, and I would recommend to glue it down, but we're not gonna be doing that today. So I'm gonna take this wig off, throw the other one on, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is the wig just thrown on my head. Honestly, this might be one of my favorite wigs. Like, I low-key want to get this in another color. This would eat just all like brown. I might order this like in all one colors. It's so cute. Y'all, I'm feeling myself. Hold on. Y'all, I'm feeling myself. Oh. I'm gonna cut the lace off of this. I kind of do want to glue it down just to see, but I honestly hate the feeling of just having wig stuck on my head. But look what the hairline looks like, so I'm just gonna fix that a little bit and then throw her back on, and I will get back to you in 1 second again. Okay guys, so I'm back. This wig has like the most gigantic baby hairs that don't want to go anywhere. Once again, I did not lay this wig down so you can see the lace like right here, but this wig has like really large baby hairs and they're not going anywhere. And I don't know how to lay down baby hair because I have 4C hair and I just did not have that privilege growing up, just being able to lay my hair down. So I don't know what to do with this part. I'm trying to like swoop it out of the way, but it looks kind of crazy. It's like uneven, like it's not laying down in the same spot. I don't know, I'm trying to get it out the way though. I feel like baby hairs just don't look right on me. Like that's just not my thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slick them back up. But this is the wig, guys. This is her. There's like a couple random like loose pieces on the bottom that I'm just gonna cut off. I like how it's like layered, so it's like slightly shorter on these front pieces. This could be my regular hair, just like a little silk press, a little flat iron. But yeah, this is her. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more wig videos. Like I said, I'll have these at least once a month for you guys. I want to start doing other content. I'm just not sure what to post. So if you have any ideas, just let me know. And yeah,